Honda have finally added a rock star to their jazz band. Meet the Honda Jazz Sport. Here are 5 facts that you need to know about this long-awaited newcomer. Number 1, the Jazz Sport comes standard with the Civic Type R body kit. Number 2, the standard 1.5 litre engine now features Honda's famous Earth Dreams engine technology and delivers more power and more torque. Number 3, it has a 6-stage CVT gearbox with sport mode and paddle shift. Number 4, its in vogue interior also features a state-of-the-art, fully integrated 7-inch infotainment touchscreen. Number 5, to match your electric guitar, or the color of your electric guitar rather, the Jazz Sport is available in a range of funky colors like Helios Pearl Yellow and Skyride Blue Metallic. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.